How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another Bitcoin update. We're going to be looking at multiple time frames today. Before we get into this video, make sure you do leave a like, comment underneath this for the algorithm, as well as sharing this update, but also subscribing, because only half of you actually are subscribed that tune into these updates. Also, I have a discount that's going to remain until the end of this month if you wanted to take action on a course that starts you from completely zero knowledge into a self-sufficient trader that will have all the tools you need to become a successful trader. You just need to be disciplined and consistent with it. You'll also be able to join my community completely for free for your first 3 months. All details are in the description down below. Click that link tree. It's going to bring you over to a page just like this. You can private message me for more information over on my Twitter. I'd recommend you following me anyway. It's Louis_crypto, the only one with a blue tick. And this is where you can private message me more about the discounts. Otherwise, click the course and mentorship link over here. You're going to find the discount on at least the course. Message me for the mentorship discount. But over here, it's going to last until July 1st. It's going to teach you from zero knowledge, and it's 30 plus videos which you'll have for the rest of your life to go back and fall back on. The mentorship includes this completely for free, as well as those 3 months free in the Discord community. Now, heading over back to Bitcoin, we could see a large falling wedge on the weekly time frame, going through these two key points of resistance over here and just dragging this line forward. We can see eventually it was retested where we have this CME gap. I've already shown you in the past on this other chart over here, this CME chart, how there is a gap in this location over here. If we scale down to the daily time frame, we can see after this pump off of about 21k, we never actually filled in that wick. So if we were to ever lose this 25k resistance, which is now acting as support as we're seeing this bounce, we would then head to that target down there, only on the loss of this resistance, which is now acting as support. And if you remember, over last week, I had told you guys that there's a scenario where this is just a retest of previous resistance, now support. We've fallen out of the wedge, but we could come back inside, look for a retest, and then enter longs. You could have entered longs on the way in, but we're waiting for a pullback. Let's see if we now get this pullback. This is what I'm personally waiting for, somewhere in and around this area over here. We might get a pullback for good longs. This could be an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and this is something that I already mentioned to all my students in the Discord community. You don't actually need to be a student to join the community. I'm going to play a little clip at the end of this video, so stay tuned. If you want to find out more about joining this exclusive chat, you'll be able to access multiple past students and current students of mine, but it's now open to the public for anyone to join and learn from. But of course, I would always recommend doing the course or the mentorship, because you're also going to have work to fall back on and you actually understand what's going on in there. So yeah, unless you already have the knowledge. If you already have the knowledge, great, you can join, that's fine. If you don't and you're just starting out, then yeah, that's where I would recommend it. Now, with this daily falling wedge, we do have some key resistance before the target, which is between 30.5k and 31k. I'm looking at the highest bodies over here as well as that highest wick, so it's an area for me. A lot of people would just be looking for 31k, but there's a brick wall here just before that which we could struggle with. Not only this, although that's the target, there's a brick wall beforehand. When we came out of this resistance to the left, we can see we found a new one over here before dumping a bit, accumulating, and then continuing off with the trend. But of course, we did start to have a rounding top over here, or potential double top over here, this being your neckline not being lost, patterns not valid. But either way, we see a build up of resistance, and when we started to come down again, look, we lost the support, came back into it as resistance, and started dumping down. So I do believe, even if we do get this support, if we do come down, get this support, essentially guys, I do believe we are going to go up. I just think we're going to come down first. I might be wrong in that. We could get, Bitcoin just wakes up, a little push through, then I want to retest. But all in all, at the moment, I'm not getting signs of a push through. So at the moment, I'm expecting a pullback to in and around this area, get a retest, and then continue. But this, for me, is going to be a key level of resistance. We've seen it to the left over here. Although it actually didn't send us all the way back down to this resistance as support. On this occasion, where we came up, failed to hold its support, came back inside, actually did hold it as support, but used this as a base of a double top pattern over here. Lost it, used it as resistance here, and over here. And so that's why coming into the future, if we do actually break out of here, I'm expecting that to be somewhat of a resistance pullback and then continue with the targets. So this would be my daily analysis for Bitcoin. If you're enjoying this video so far, please go ahead and smash the like button. Unfortunately guys, YouTube changed their algorithm like 6 months ago or something, and it really doesn't help us grow as a channel. We're trying to hit 6k as quick as we can, so to help us achieve that, you need to like every single video, you need to comment underneath every single video, even if it's just a word or an emoji or whatever it is, and share these updates if you can to all your followers. That'd be really appreciated. I also do post these on Twitter, so yeah, if you retweet those posts, that would be amazing. Now, when we scale down to the 4 hour time frame, that lower area doesn't seem as doesn't really look nice because we've got quite a few fake outs, but that's fine. We're not looking at that at the moment. The reason why I brought you down to the 4 hour time frame is because we were looking at this area over here in the Discord community over the last week, where we've got some key, oh sorry, my mistake, why did I not press, there we go. Yeah, so here there's a key support area over here. We can even mark this out as like an actual area instead of just a line. So anywhere between, yeah, you can say this area, pull back into this zone, and then looking for that continuation. There is also horizontal support, so even if it falls through this, I wouldn't be too fast because we've got this horizontal support right over here. Can you see that? Well, yeah, it's a whole area. So over here, so in and around the 25k area, let me just draw that parallel channel again. So yeah, I guess you can draw it down or up, it's completely down to you. So between 25 and 26k, I would like to see a pullback to that area. Maybe we're doing something like this, where we've now dumped from the 200 EMA, where we've come into it once, failed, come into again, failed, and we've got a bearish candlestick signal over here. But it'd be too easy to just continue down and down and down. We've respected the 20. In fact, guys, we've formed a bullish cross on the 4 hour time frame. This should suggest a pump upwards. However, the 200 EMA is like, okay, if we're here, we should be looking for shorts, okay? We should be looking for sell signals over here. So if you can't spot the sell signals, this is what I teach you in the course and in the mentorship. I've got one slot available. No, I've got 2 slots available for the mentorship this month, but I have someone interested at the moment who's more than likely going to take action on that. So I will say that there is one more slot available. I had someone named Ryan interested, but he hasn't got back to me, so he might take it. If you are interested in the taking action on the mentorship, I would recommending booking your slot right now. Just head over to the Twitter. Again, all the links are down in the description and pinned comment section below. You just click that link. It's going to bring you to my link tree. Click the Twitter, private message me over here. There is, again, potentially just one slot left at the moment. So what I see over here with the 200 EMA, although these things are bullish over here, I think we're just getting a little retest, coming back up into this as resistance, and then continuing lower. Of course, if Bitcoin decides to wake up and we push through like this, incredible. That would be on the daily time frame, that scenario where we said we could be coming down to in and around here, but essentially we are believing eventually we do go up. Now, whether we come down first, which is what I think and what we've been talking about in the Discord community over the weekend, should happen, but again, we know how Bitcoin likes to work and just likes to surprise people sometimes. So if we do get a move like this, I'd like a retest of this newly formed daily bullish cross, which is not yet formed, but if we were to push through like this, you're going to eventually form a bullish cross. We need to fall back into it as support and then continue higher. That's pretty much it from me today, guys. I hope that was well informed, definitely more informed than all the other YouTubers out here. So that's why I'd really appreciate if you could do those things by engaging with the videos. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat, where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You will gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.